the next generation of solar. The new Tesla solar panel blends high-performance engineering with a design that actually looks good on your roof. All black panels, hidden electrical connections, no exposed hardware, no bulky rails. Just a clean, low-profile system that sits close to the roof for a modern, minimalist look. But this isn't just about aesthetics. Tesla solar panels are built with power zone technology, using multiple independent power zones across each panel. That means when part of your roof is shaded, the rest of the panel keeps producing. Compared to traditional panels, this design can deliver more energy throughout the year. Each panel is designed to work seamlessly with the Tesla solar inverter and Powerwall 3, creating a fully integrated energy system. Power generated on your roof flows efficiently into your home and can be stored for backup power when you need it most. Everything is monitored through the Tesla app. You can track production, usage, and battery storage in real time, all from your phone. These panels are engineered for durability too. They are tested to exceed industry standards and backed by a 25-year warranty, so your home stays powered for decades, not just years. Assembled in Buffalo, New York, Tesla solar panels represent a smarter, cleaner way to power your home. American Home Contractors, installing peace of mind since 1986.